there are people who study for only some time and still tops. And here we are studying for like hours and hours and hours, like 16 hours a day, but still we struggle to score above average marks. Why does that happen? Hello everyone, Pranav here. Welcome back to my channel. मेरा नमस्ते आप सभी को. How are you guys doing today? I'm doing fantastic as always. So today I'm going to share with you tips related to what those people do who tops by studying for some time and those people who studies for hours and still struggle to get above average marks. That in short, how to study effectively. So without wasting any time, let's get started with the video. So before I tell you what they do, can I share with you what we do? Let's accept this reality up front, guys. Like, what happens is when exams are far away, we think that we have time to study. So, during that time period, what we do is we go out, chill with our friends, play with our friends, hang around. If we have girlfriend, go and spend time with them. And since the time is progressing and it's passing by and exam time is near, then we think now it's enough now. I'll not waste any single minute of my time and will not go out until an exam gets over. But at the time of studies, what happens is we think about our friends we used to chill out with. We used to think about the games which we played, some good times with our girlfriend or your friends. And even there are certain weird thoughts that I am low on attendance. What will my class teachers say? That will she or he give me the admit card? Like I will study, like I will appear for exam only if I have admit card in my hand. Let's get my admit card first and then I will start studying again. These things, worries and all, we are so overwhelmed and overburdened with these thoughts which are not there yet. Like we are creating these thoughts that if I will get admit card or something. This is quite weird and it's like it's natural, it happens. But be aware of all these thoughts which are going through in your mind. Like one of the biggest of all is our friend calling us and telling us, bro, do you know, like she is dating someone who is our closest friend. And he's like, what? Tell me more about it. And this time passes by and our exam thought, our studies thought goes out of the window. And the biggest of all is our phone, our social media. Like we spend so much of time doing those things which has no value at all. Believe me, guys, our friends are our reflection. So some are good than us, some are getting better. And like during our school days, we all love popularity, that somebody is calling us. So that's completely okay. That's another headache. But if somebody is not calling you, you think that nobody is valuing me. I've lost interest. People have lost interest in me. I've lost my credibility. Some bullshit thought. And then at the end of the day, we blame others. That I was thinking about my career, about my studies, that I will score good. But still, I fail to score marks. Why does that happen? Let me give you a virtual slap on your face from this video. Like, you guys were just thinking about it. Where is the action? And even if you're taking action, you are getting distracted every now and then. Think about it. And if you want to study effectively with full concentration, I have a video made for this specifically so that you guys can concentrate completely on your studies and score well. I have these two videos already made. Go back and watch it. And I'm sure that is going to be super effective. I love this quote really because this is something which really resonates with me and people around me. So what is that quote all about? Success and excuse do not talk together. If you want excuse, forget about success. If you want success, do not give excuse. This is what separates a 30-minute person and us. Because 30-minute guy is only thinking about the next step he or she should take to progress. And we are thinking, even if studying in class 12, we're thinking about our college, that which college to go and I need to score this so that I can get into this college. But that person who tops is thinking about how can I get better in this particular topic so that I know more about it. So that any question covering this topic come, I know how to do it. That's what differentiates. They're focused. They have laser focus on their things. They know what is their first step, and then next, and then and next. But we are thinking jumping. Like, we are in class 12 right now, higher secondary, and thinking about college. Why do we need to think about college? Think about it. Take the first step, then another step, then another step. Progress slowly and see the results coming your way. I'm saying this with lots of love in my heart. Just take the first step. That's it. And nothing else you need to do. Believe me, you will fetch amazing results. If not, then you can definitely come back to me and tell me that I didn't got results by taking first step and then another step and then another step. And I'm sure there are 24 hours and we have other important stuffs to do like playing games, sleeping for 8 hours and other stuff. And that's completely okay. Spend your time doing that maximum time, but at least find 2 to 3 hours daily for your self study because that will ensure that focus study will assure your good marks. And when exam time approaches, you will be like, whom to blame now? Friends, playing games, mobile phone, social media. Bullshit, blame yourself because it was your choice to focus on those things other than your studies. I'm so sorry for being so straightforward, but that's how I am because I want to open your eyes and to see the reality. Guys, do the needful. Be serious on your career path. So this is pretty much about the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video during today. If you guys find any value in the video, then do like the video, share it with your friends, and do comment below and let me know what was your favorite part and where you guys are tuning from. It's amazing to know people globally. So I'll see you next week again with an amazing video. I hope that you will have a smashing week. Till then, mera namaste आप सभी को.